welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some albondigas. If you're interested in learning, keep on watching. Okay guys, the ingredients you'll need is ground beef, carrots, potatoes, onion, celery. Here I have some rice soaking in water, salt, garlic powder, tomato sauce, and chicken bouillon. Some of the ingredients we're missing are cilantro, zucchini, and anything else that you want to put in your soup. So we're going to start off by putting our ground beef into a bowl so that we can start adding in our onion and our rice to make our little meatballs. So I'm going to start off by dicing half of an onion. And as y'all can see, today I have a little helper with me in the kitchen. This is my niece, Juliana, and she was with me today and decided she wanted to join in. So this is why we recorded this video. This was just a last minute thing, so I was missing quite a few of the ingredients that I usually put in them, but it still came out awesome. This is why we named them the quarantine albondigas, because why waste time and expose ourselves to go out and just buy cilantro and zucchini when we can make this soup taste as great with just what we have at home. So even though I diced up half of the onion, I'm just going to go ahead and put a fourth of it into our meatballs, and the rest I'll save it for our soup. So here I have my ground beef with the onion and rice already in there. And I'm going to add in a little bit of chicken bouillon, garlic powder, salt. And this is where you could also add in a little bit of diced cilantro and real finely chopped zucchini. I'm also going to put some cumin in it. So once I have all that in there, I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. As you can see here, my little helper is helping me do this as well. And this is also a fun recipe to have the kids join in at home. So I'm going to start by grabbing just a little bit and making a meatball. And this is where I'll determine what size I want. They will not all come out the same size, but you can get them as close as possible. You can also use a measuring spoon or something, that way you can make sure they're all nice and uniform in size. But I'm just going to go ahead and eyeball it. Here we have all 18 of our little meatballs ready to go. And that's just with 1 pound of ground beef. So if you need more, you can always add another pound of beef. So here we have our celery and our carrots that we are going to go ahead and get them all cleaned up and diced to put in our soup. And if you also had a zucchini and cilantro, this is when you would go ahead and dice those up to add it into our soup as well. just adding my diced up veggies into this pot to have on the side so that when we're ready to saute them, they're ready to go. For this recipe, I usually buy the bigger carrots and I peel them and I dice them up, but this is all I had on hand in the refrigerator, so this is what we're using today. Now that we have all our veggies diced up, we're going to put that to a side and bring out our pot that we're going to be cooking our soup in. So here I have some olive oil, and we're going to go ahead and put some in the pot. And then we're going to start sauteing our carrots, onion, and celery. As you can see here, our pot is even excited about this soup because it's doing its own little dance. So now that we have our veggies in the pot, we're going to add in a little bit more olive oil to get things started. And I'm also going to add my seasoning, which is salt, garlic powder, the chicken bouillon, and some cumin. Having my little helper in the kitchen today has been very entertaining, so I just want y'all to hear some of our conversations that we have while cooking. Fill it up. So once our veggies are nice and sauteed, we're going to start by adding in our water. You can add in as much as you want. You can even add in some chicken broth or beef broth. It's all up to you. Once we have our water in there, then this is when we're going to add in our tomato sauce to give our broth some color and a little bit more flavor. our potatoes. She found a carrot in there and started snacking on it. And we're also going to be adding in our meatballs at this point. Make sure that when you're adding in your meatballs, you're doing this as carefully as possible because you would not want them to break. As you can see here, our soup has come to a boil and the broth has changed color and our meatballs seem to be cooking through. So you're just going to go ahead and let this cook on until everything is nice and tender and the meat is cooked through. And as you can see here, it's nice and ready. I went ahead and added a little bit more tomato sauce because I felt that the broth wasn't the color that I wanted it to be. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add in my soup to my bowl and get ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and watch my other videos for more recipes. See y'all soon.